How I love the great Redeemer, who is doing so much for me. With what joy I tell the story of the love that makes man free, till my earthly life is ended. I was in songs above, then beside the crystal sea, more and more my soul shall be praising Jesus and His love. He is everything to me, to me.
He is everything to me, and everything shall always be. I will never cease to raise the song of gladness in His praise. Here and in the world above, my soul shall sing with saving love. Life and light and joy is He, the precious friend who died for me.